Hello folks, this is Paul with another video, and we have a quick opening here of something I found today. So let's get going with this video. And before we open it, we're just going to show you a few other ones, or more recent ones that I have found, and they're Gravedigger monster trucks. And there's the chase version with the clear tires, green rims, green body, and the chassis is green and clear. And then the body is clear. It's actually plastic, like a black tinted plastic. So there's that one. And then there's this one. It's hard to keep up with these. They come out with so many. Not sure which set this was from, and it's hard to figure out the series and all that stuff too. I went online and it's very hard. But this is the turquoise one. You got the turquoise body with the tires. And then you got the purple rims, or actually it's black. The deco's on the body is purple. And the chassis is purple and turquoise. There's that one. And then here's pretty much a regular Gravedigger with the purple rims. Like I said, they're always coming out with different versions. It's just crazy. And then there's this one. It's the old school Gravedigger. See, there's nothing on the hood there. Got the green rims, green chassis, black body, the old school body there. So there's that one. And then you have this one. It's another old school Gravedigger, the Legend, the silver and blue body with the gray rims. And then the chassis and suspension is all black. And the lights on this one are silver. And this one has the open back, because if you notice, this one has the closed back. And that one down here, and then we got this one. This is like the dirty version, the mud version, or I forget what they call it, the mudder or something, can't remember. This one that's all dirty, like it went through the mud. Got the green tires, and they're all dirtied up. The body's all dirty up. And then the suspension chassis is purple and the green. So there's those. And we're gonna now open the one I found. Let's move this to the side. And this is a 2-pack, which I normally don't buy, but I just bought the 2-pack because I wanted this monster truck, and it's crazy. Normally I don't do this, but I try to get every Gravedigger I can, and this one had the red rims. I don't know why they do that, so I had to have it. And then it has the, I'm not sure which monster truck that is. There's a W on it, so I don't see a name, just a W. Let's see if it says on the back. Nope, it just has a W. Oops. This guy has a mind of its own. Let's get this thing open. So this is versus, and it says Gravedigger versus W, which I don't know what that means. And then it shows all the different ones. Thunderorus versus Velociraptor. And there's Nightmare. Northern Nightmare. Earthshaker, Megalodon. And then they have Gravedigger versus W, which I don't know what it is. Not know. Let's see. Copyright 2024 Spin Master. So we'll look at this one first. Monster Truck. I don't know what it is. If anybody knows, leave it in the comments. Because yes, I do watch Monster Jam, but I don't remember this truck. So it has the W on the roof, W there, and on the doors. It's bluish paint job here. Monster Jam. There's a W on the back. And you got the bluish suspension with the gray chassis there. And the bluish rims. So there's that one. And the one I care about, that blue one, I'm probably not going to keep. What is this one? Basically get the prototypical body. The Gravedigger, bad to the bone, black. There's green flames, and then you get this silverish white stripe going across the top. And this prototypical graphics on the sides here. The green suspension and gray chassis. Only difference is they decided to put this, take the Gravedigger and put these red rims on the thing. Maybe it's the like suckers like me that have to have every Gravedigger. They decide, oh, let's put red rims on it and somebody will buy it. And it was me. So there you go. My newest Gravedigger to the collection. Let's zoom this in a little bit. And there you go. And then we'll just do this. We'll just turn that off, and we'll just go down here and we'll line all these up like so. That's the newest one. And we got the Chase there, the turquoise one. I got that one. Zoom out a little bit. Then there's this one and that one. Actually, we'll just go like this. See, look. Pretty much the same. This one in the front. And there you go. My opening of the Monster Jam Spin Master 2-pack. Just to get this new Gravedigger to add to my collection. Hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me which Gravedigger was your favorite. And tell me what that one monster truck was. I'd be very appreciative. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at the next one. Bye.